Alrighty guys, so today I want to talk to you about the Mad Professor Sweet Honey Overdrive. This pedal is an excellent valve amp style overdrive, and it really just lives by its name in my opinion. It's got that sweet honey sound, really nice and warm, and the best part about it that I found as compared to any other drive pedal that I've played with is that it really is responsive to how you play, which is awesome. So you could be playing really light, and it won't push as much, but when you really dig in, it really starts to drive. And so that's one thing that I really like about this pedal. As for the features, there are 3 controls: your volume, your drive, and your focus right here. So essentially it's pretty self-explanatory. I guess on the volume and focus you're going to get more volume as you play. Turn it up. It's just going to boost that volume really nicely. The drive, it's going to give you a little bit more. More drive right there. And then the focus, what that really does is kind of controls how the overdrive affects the EQ. So if you're going to be getting a little of a darker sound down here, if you want a darker drive, turn it up to the top. You get a really nice bright drive on there. As for the sound, it really cleans up the ease of your attack on the strings, but then really unleashes that really hard, rich overdrive once you dig in. And that's like I was saying before, So it really kind of has that nice sweet sound when you're just playing really lightly, and then get that really nasty overdrive when you dig in. And I love that about this pedal. It sounds just very tight in all settings too, especially if you got that funky sound. Really nice for, I would say, like blues, rock, and more in that kind of genre, or those genres. But I think it could work well for anything as well. It kind of works well in all settings. I think it's not too overpowering, which some overdrives are. They're just really a lot, especially when you're looking at like a tube screamer. Ibanez tube screamer, really overpowering. This one's not like that at all. But yeah, another great thing about this pedal is the integrity of your guitar is never compromised. It's never. I mean, I'm playing with a hollow body Telecaster right now, F-hole, thin line, and it really kind of it still brings through the sound of the guitar. It is also true bypass, so when I take that off, I'm getting a nice clean sound in the back. Turn it back on, and we're good. It is 9-volt powered if you want power with a 9-volt battery or 9-volt DC. The actual build of it's really nice. The paint. The one thing I have noticed, the paint wore off a little bit, which that just might come with pedal use, although I do take pretty good care of it, so I was kind of surprised to see that the paint started chipping off. Other than that, it's really small, really nice compact pedal, and also has a good weight to it as well. It doesn't feel like it's cheaply made. The knobs are very smooth to turn. Yeah, it's just a great, really clean, nice pedal. So if you're looking for a solid overdrive to get the job done, but you know, you're not like into heavy rock or metal or anything like that, definitely recommend checking out the Sweet Honey Overdrive by Mad Professor. Alright guys, take it easy.